Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. This is an introductory video where we'll be taking you round the interface of Microsoft Excel and many more. This is the first video of our tutorial on Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when we drop the subsequent videos, you'll be notified of the new video. We're going to take you from the beginners level to advanced level. So let's go. First, we are going to load Microsoft Excel. We are basing this tutorial on the fact that you have installed Microsoft Excel on the desktop. There are many ways to load Microsoft Excel. Has it been you have pinned it on the taskbar here, like I have done? You can just click, then it loads. Or you can go through the Windows button, search for Excel, click, and it loads. So I click the Windows button, search for Excel, it appears, click on it, it loads. So this is the first interface you'll be seeing. You see blank workbook, billing statement, and a lot of other templates you can get from here. And be informed that your recent workbooks will also appear here. If you have pinned any file, it appears here too. For this tutorial, we're going to click on this blank workbook. We have the blank workbook. So for this blank workbook, first and foremost, we want to look at this file, what it contains. You can you can open an existing file, information about the file, saving the file, and save as, and many more. So we'll be looking at this subsequently. So I go back to the interface. We have the home tab. In the home tab, we have the groups, as the clipboard group, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, adds in, and so on. Then the insert tab. On the insert tab, we also have the various groups of tables, instructions, chart, spark lines, filter, link, and symbol. We have the draw tab. In the draw tab, you have the tools, the pen, convert, and you can get help on this. Then others are layout tab, the formula tab, the data tab, review tab, view tab, help, and then you can tell me what you want to do. That is having quick help for Microsoft Excel. Then back to our home tab. Here is the columns. The columns are referenced by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and the list is endless. And the rows are referenced by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it continues infinitely. Then here, the intersection of the columns and the rows give us these rectangles called cells. The cells hold the information you are imputing into your workbook. It could be text, it could be number, it could be symbol, and a lot more that you're going to see in our subsequent videos. And then when you click on any cell, each cell is referenced by the column letter and the row number. Like presently, this is column C and row 4. And the cell reference here is C4. This place where you see the name of the cell is called the name box. And this can be changed. Well, in our subsequent videos, we'll be seeing how to change either a cell name or range of cells. So, and then for your information, You can increase the width of the column. Just go to the line, then expand. You can also increase the height of the row. Okay, so the next thing is we'll now look at the title bar. The title bar holds the name of the file. It has been saved. You'd have seen the name of the file you have saved it with, and the application name, and so on. Then also down here we have the sheets, and you can add more sheets by clicking on this plus sign, and then you have more of the sheets, and you can rename the sheet. Double click, then you can say my sheet. Press the enter key and it has been renamed to take care of my sheet. And you can zoom. So to zoom this, we have the zoom button here. You have this, you are zooming it in, and here you zoom out, you click to zoom it out. This is zooming it in. So you zoom in depending on what you wish to display. Okay, this is it for now, and then in our next video we'll be taking you how to save your workbook, how to open an existing workbook, how to enter data into the cells, and formatting of the cells and its content. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and then we are believing you will join us in our next tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Till then, goodbye.